రెండో మూడో చేసింది. రెండో మూడు చేసి ఉంటారు ఫిజికల్ వచ్చి ఒక 60 రూపాయలు అంత వచ్చాయి మామూలుగా కాదు ఆన్లైన్ అనుకుంటే ఎందుకంటే ఇంకా లిగుతున్నావు వెళ్ళడానికి తీసుకో
స్టార్ట్ సార్ హరికృష్ణ గారు. సార్ హలో గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్. హరికృష్ణ గారు ప్లీజ్ ఆడియో ప్లీజ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. హరికృష్ణ గారు మ్యూట్ ఆడియో ప్లీజ్. In continuation with the 5 types of information system, already we discussed the executive level and the middle management level like by management information system and decision support system DSS, where we will what is called computer supported cooperative work systems take the immediate taken care by the middle management only. Logistics means every operation sequences, every maintenance sequences taken by the top middle management only. And financial planning systems also, once the budgeting system is there by the top management, definitely middle management is taken care of the financial planning systems also as per the budgeting system. Therefore, the executive levels are 2 tasks, where the middle management levels are almost all many tasks is there when compared to executive tasks. And compared to the operation levels at the work floor in the sense of the administrative staff or the employees who are working under the workplace safety. For example, the operation level with respect to the administrative controls as well as the P&A planning and administration, like payroll systems they have to follow, order processing they have to follow, and reservation systems as follow, and payment or funds transfer systems is also follow. This is very transaction processing system where the payroll systems in the sense of what is called payroll to the employees within the organization and payment to the customers and suppliers, we have to follow the stores level at the operation level. Order processing system. For example, the many inquiry systems for the customers, they need a new product or any other what is called new customer there. What is the order processing? We have to develop in the MIS system only. What is the order processing system? What is the level of what is called quotation raise, requisition made, and order processing will be made by different departments and all. Reservation system is also very important. Reservation in the sense of what is called the what we called the zero stock levels. I have to reserve my critical items in a reservation mode with a 5 stock levels. Our zero stock levels is 5. Sometimes what is called some of the suppliers having a reservations the 2025. I need a what is called instead of 2024,000 tons, I need a 1500 tons. Like that, reservations can be raised by the suppliers, the customers, as well as the various what is called marketing, sales, and department. They can find the reservation system also in the MIS system if the operational levels are provided. And payment or funds transfer. The financial department has to funds immediately transfer to release the payroll systems and all. These are the sequence model and all, where the transaction processing system can be taken by the administrative department like stores, HR, other process heads and all will be taken care of the all the 4 at the operation level. Why it is operation levels? It doesn't mean that operation level means worker has to take it. The management staff who is coming under the HR department, who is coming on the administrative department, who is coming on the stores department, purchase section, all will be taken care by the this transaction system, including finance also. And process control system, PCS, monitor and control physical processes. where some physical processes are there involved in the, I mean, while carrying the process system and all, that is also be monitored in the distributed control system. Where, for example, the local operator carrying some mistake, immediately DCS control system engineer will tell with a walkie-talkie, please control your system and temperature will be maintained. Like this, pressure will be maintained. Like this, monitor and control physical process. Immediately, this DCS control system has to person, the engineer has to involve the local operator with a walkie-talkie saying that here the temperature is showing more in the DCS system. Locally, you have to adjust the pressure gauge or temperature. Like this, monitor control physical process also we will be involved in the management system. These are the five types of the executive levels. Five types in the sense of at the executive levels we have to see that this type of article management systems are involved in any organization. Those who are taking the management information taken. For example, operation levels. In this operation level, there are two things, sir. One is transaction process as well as the process control. Operation, these two are there. These two are at operation levels out of five. First of all, we will discuss about the operation levels. Operations manager run the day-to-day The transaction process is the operation levels are already told. These two are very important: transaction process and process control system. What is the transaction system here? Already we discussed operational managers use transaction process system that can track and capture automated or semi-automated transaction between
Sir,
an
presentation not
employee
same.
and yes, sir.
Presentation not same.
Now see, sir, screen already shared, sir. Screen is already shared, sir. Lakshmi Das garu.
No, sir. Okay now.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sorry. Coming to the operational manager, the two levels are there. One is transaction processing systems, another is process control systems. As I told previous slide, these two are. So what in the transaction system, they have to track and captured automated or semi-automated depending upon the organization MI system. Transactions between an employee and the customer, an employee and a supplier, or even between two employees or different department. These are the chain is there. If you see these transactions, that means one screen should be shared to supplier, should share with the employee means that operational head also. For example, transactions between an employee and a customer, one type, or an employee and a supplier, or even between two employees, different departments. The process one, process two, and maintenance will also be merge, calculate, and update the data from these events also. What the is a once the transaction between the customer to employee, employee to supplier, or even between the different departments or same organization, which helps which helps system to validate which process department requires which item, whether sort out the problem or conflict, and merge the total problems in a one manner or one place, or total requirements in one place, calculate and update data. For example, if you see the one process department needs two items of same element, second department is process department is also same element with three elements. Like this, 2 plus 3, 5 stock has to sort and merge these three and raise the purchase requisition for five items. Therefore, the two departments will be satisfied with their zero stock levels and calculate and update data from these transaction events also. Once this transaction process between the employees and suppliers and the same department organizations or different department employees and all, definitely the information is definitely shared between all the employees. That is why MIS system in the transaction process is very, very important. Another thing, examples of transaction process already told, payroll system. Hello, Srinivas garu, tell me, sir. Srinivas garu, Matlapalli, please.
సార్ నేను కాదండి.
ఎవరు సార్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవుతుంది సార్ ఇక్కడ.
Sir, you are
స్క్రీన్
disconnecting.
షేరింగ్ సార్.
Sir, you are disconnecting in between. That's why your screen is frequently disconnecting.
Sorry, but it is not active. Okay, sir. Sorry, because in between the net is not proper, sir. That's why. Now you see, sir. Now it is okay.
It's loading now. Yeah, now it's okay.
Thank you very much, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience, sir. Examples of transaction processing system already told in the previous slide. Once again, payroll systems, order processing systems. Therefore, when this says that the employee and the customer, employee and supplier, even between two employees, which help these four factors will be taken care in the transaction system. Payroll systems, as well as the order processing system, reservation systems, and systems for payments and fund transfer also. These four items will be taken care in the MI system during this transaction process system, one of the process control system for the management system, management information system. Next one is, very important thing is control system. Another kind of process control system is very important. The operational managers and others use process control system to monitor and control physical processes. Here the physical process means doesn't mean that what is called is manually or what is called some other thing. It's not a manually. Physically the items are available with there or not. For example, any process manager needs some safety appliances physically available at their end or not, they will see first of all. Or the maintenance department has to see their items as per the process requirement, the physically the items are available in the stores or not, they will see. For example, unlike the transaction system, the process control system take their inputs data from the sensor to generate reports. First of all, we have to take the process control requirement, like for example, I told zero stock levels. So once they taken by the zero stock levels from the process department to the stores department, definitely according to that purchase requisition will be taken care of. Like this process will be controlled commonly found in industrial and manufacturing applications. They all will be combined in a one system with the transaction system. These are two-way systems. Transaction is good, definitely the process control system will be in a fulfilled. When the transaction is not proper, man to man, employee to employee, employee to server, or vice versa, the process control system may not be properly as expected. That's why we should see that the vertical transaction processor, two-way communication, two-way information should be fulfilled. Commonly found in industrial and manufacturing process in the process control transaction. The example of process control system assembly lines, petroleum refineries, middle management level. These are things taken care in the process control system. Assembling lines, for example, once the assembly lines means the supplier is supplying one item. So petroleum refineries, normally this process control system is very important because the previous department depends upon the quality, the other department will also be taken care of. For example, petroleum refineries already taken care of the distillation. In the distillation column, the crude petroleum will feed and different particle sort of products will be coming in the distillation column. Therefore, the lot of interaction between all the system departments. That's why the petroleum refinery, the process control system is very important, because one of the process control department is showing some anomaly. The other, all the 11 departments will be hampered the product. That's why normally in the petrol refineries, the process control system is very important if they are providing the management information system. Not only transaction information in the transaction system is important process, but also the process control system is this important in these areas. Assembling the lines, assembling what is called all the decisions. Assembling lines means all, not only mechanical, assembling of all the decisions combining into one form. Petroleum refinery distillation column is there, where the one raw material having the 11 to 12 products. Middle management levels are different levels are there. There are 3 process department, 3 maintenance department, departments in the middle management also. That's why I told this slide also. Middle management taken care of these two, management information system as well as decision support system also. The role is very important. Coming to this middle level managers make tactical decisions. Very important key decisions has to taken care by middle managers, where some of the times they have given some, as per the management theory, they given some the what we call the decisions and all, involved decisions related to developing divisional plans, structuring workflows, establishing distribution channels, acquisitions, resources, and such personnel and materials money. For example, if you see this slide, the middle management levels are very important in taking decisions in a logic system as well as financial systems. Therefore, apart from the transaction system, process control system is very important. For example, if you see this using the copy shop example, a tactical decisions would be whether to open earlier in the morning or on the weekends to attract new customers. So the management has to plays a role, whether a tactical decisions. Sometimes they hello, Mahesh garu, tell me, Mahesh garu, Mahesh garu, please mute your Rabba garu, Ramakrishna garu, please mute your audio. In copy shop example, tactical decisions will be taken one of the time where they need a doubt that whether they open in the early morning in the morning, earlier in the morning, or on the weekends only to attract new customers. The benefit of doubt they have it to take the tactical decision. At the time, the data will be helpful for taking a optimum decision to improve the business. Therefore, These two types are middle managers are very important system. These two types are very important system at the middle managers and management information system and take the decision support. Third one is management information
Sir,
system.
screen clearly
Hello?
not displayed. Screen, sir. Hello, sir.
I'm doing.
Screen clearly not displayed, sir.
That's what I'm doing that operator, sir. 2 minutes, 1 minute, sir, please. I'm doing that. It is showing the sharing, but you are not telling. You are telling that not, sir. I'm doing again, please.
Okay, it's okay, sir. Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir. Sorry for the disturbance also. And this management information system will help to build data provided. What the data is providing from the transaction process and the process system, the management can take a decisions immediately. They extract their idea, their data from the database located in different department to compile reports such as sales analysis and inventory level reports and financial statements. The management information system will help by taking data from the transaction system, feed by them, process system, they can compile the sales analysis, inventory levels, and financial statements also. They can sensitize, they can give the orders to the bottom level people like stores management or department, financial department, for the need of the requirement of transaction as well as the process management system. They typically have a little or no analytical capability and are used to provide reports on the firm's or past or current performance rather than the future performance of organization. See, once the transactional and the system as well as the process control system is not in a position to improve the data and feeding the MI system, the management information system cannot provide the requirement. That's why the transaction system, management system, and the process control system was very perfect. And then only the management information system can help their requirement in a systematic manner. Otherwise, the current performance or past performance, they cannot take the simply as an example. The past performance is different from the present performance. That's why the data is very important, which can feed by the transaction system as well as the process control system. Thereby, the management information system can be taken very formally and see that the requirements of the information system as well as the process control system will be fulfilled. For example, sales management systems taken care by the management, inventory control system taken by the management system, budgeting system taken by these information, and the human resource. These four are can be taken by the management information system with respect to the inputs given by the transaction system and the process control system. Therefore, the transaction as well as process controls are important to this management information system to take care of the all the four levels of the management information to see that all the information can be integrated. Coming to the decision support system. Sometimes what is one of the management has to take managers or the key managers and the key operators to interact with the system and see that the final decision will be or final outcome will be coming as required by the organization. For example, decision support system on the other hand or interactive system that can help solve ill-structured or semi-structured problems. That means one of the structured problem having some problem, having some not healthy and not fulfilled or ill-structured or semi-structured. That type of what is called ill-structure and the semi-structured problems can be solved by the decision support system. For example, an example of an ill-structured problem for the coffee shop, whether to open new coffee shop or another location, at another location. This is the, before them, before leadership, this is the one of the ill-structured problem. That means where the firm decision is not taken by the top management. That is why it's called ill-structured problem. That means the structured problem is having weakness that cannot be taken decision. What is the aim actually? Would be whether to open a new coffee shop at another location. Like for example, in our organization, you have to go for diversification or not, from bite digester to the continuous digester, or from this system to the new system, or from the system to the AI. That means artificial intelligence system. You have to go for or not from present what is called Windows. Like this, they have some ill-structured problem is there. At that time, the decision support system have analytical modeling capabilities to analyze the existing structured information. They allow manager to project the potential effects and their decisions into the future. We have to call all the managers, all the skilled employees to take a decision in this manner. We will see that brainstorming to be taken place by conducting the group discussions. That means brainstorming means you have to take every individual ideas and take combining of all ideas, whether we go for a new coffee shop and another location or not. That outcome will be coming by this decision support system is there, where the ill-structured or the semi-structured problems raised by the top management. They may also support the exchange of information within the organization. So they're also classified as a knowledge management system. Already knowledge management theory also, last classes we have discussed. Once we combine all the employees' decisions and brainstorming will be given, definitely there is a exchange of information, not only optimum output, but also exchange information from one person to another person within the organization. That's why it is also called this data support system is also called knowledge management system. That means decision support system is also sometimes called a knowledge management system, where the individual, the ideas will be tapped by the top management by gathering all the employees for taking the good decisions or optimum decision where the ill-structured problem or semi-structured problem is there. Examples of group decision support system, computer support cooperative work systems, logistics systems, financial planning systems, and executive levels. These things, group decision already, groups decision support system already told. Brainstorming of individual ideas will be taken care of, and combining all the ideas will come to a optimum decision. Computer support cooperative work system, very important. From the transaction system, from the process control system, we have to come to a conclusion whether we go into the decision system or go for copy system and no location also computer supported in cooperative work system. That means we need not call all the information, all the employees. We will raise a requisition in a management system through a transaction, through a process control. It should be reached to all the employees who are using this management systems. Therefore, that information after the receiving by all the employees, they'll give the feedback to the top management in a computer supported. That means computer supported cooperative system. We cannot disturb the people from their work spot. Immediately the computer itself is taking requisition from the management, received to the other end, they're compiling, they're giving the feedback to the system, whether you go for. The maximum feedback will be taken care by the top management and take the optimization. This also possibility is there in one of the management system by the organization. Logistics. Logistics systems also will hinder the one of the decisions also. That's why we call we at that time where the ill-structured or semi-structured problem is, we will see or we will take the role of logistics also. Logistics means not only only transportation, but logistics involves all the problems or activities or anomalies, or every department has to be involved in the logistics systems. That means in the logistics system, whether the involved the X A to Z involvement is there. That is there. You have to see that the decision making system where the problem has come. Financial planning system was one the taken decision. Okay, employees are given the feedback through the computer system. They can go for the news at another location. Group decision also giving the decision that coffee shop at the another location. But and logistics also a system says that go for a new coffee shop at the another location. But what is the financial planning at that time by the organization? We have to see at the time also financial planning is for go for new shop or wait for the financial to come or to arrive at the budget. This is also very important. Even in these three steps, for example, if we release the what is called any new coffee shop to go for, once the financial is not there, your target date will be hampered. Your advertisement is given, posters will be given, and so and so January 12th on so and so the new coffee shop at the so location will be given. Like that advertisement is already given. But due to the financial problem where you are not considered before going a decision, there will hampered the decision. That's why at that time, after the three decisions has come from these three steps, financial planning also shall be taken care by the organization, whether go for or not. At that time, when the financial planning systems is encouraging the organization go for executive level to execute the new coffee shop at another location. This is the very important at the decision support model. In this decision model, topmost to senior executive levels, like for example, senior chief executive officer, chief operational officer, and chief financial officer. These will be called designations of the various levels of organization in different as per the organization chart. Decision system continued. This decision system is also called the C-suite, we called as C-suite makes strategic decision. This decision system is also, as I told, the decision support system is also called knowledge management system, but also called because at the executive levels taking decisions is also called C-suite, where the management scientists have developed the another name. C-suite makes strategic decisions that affect shape the future of the survivability of nation. When the executive levels take a decision, is a strategic decision means what we can say people are not expected to take decision. Somewhat what is called some not ambiguous strategic decision has taken at the time by the top management. Therefore, go for a new copy of at a different location. Therefore, the things will be in a best manner. Last but not least, executive information system. Very important. Executive information system help executives and other senior managers and the environment in which the organization operates to identify long-term trends and to plan appropriate course of action. The executive information means some of the decisions taken by the all the transaction system, control system, and decision support system, and the decision support system as well as the process control system. But the executive information take the decisions immediately or not, it depends upon the executive CEO or CEO, these levels. But once you take, you have to take into action. Whether it is operate a long-term trends or to plan appropriate course of action. Location at it takes 12 months time to execute, identify long-term trends. The information in such system is often weakly structured and comes from the both internal sources such as its own database or data warehouse and external sources such as data from customers and suppliers and other governmental databases. Where the executive information, when it comes to executive information, they're having faced many problems due to the transaction problem, process control systems, as well as decision system. But the decision is not coming in a full-fledged manner into this level. That's why the information in such a system is often weakly structured and comes from the both internal sources, because sometimes they are giving back feedback in a different manner. Go, not go. Go, not go. Like this, some differences are there when coming to the executive information to take decisions, whether from internal sources or from database or data from warehouse, logistics department, external sources. For example, legally, that place where you are located is not